Well, everybody, we haven't made a cook video in a while.
Hi.
We're just gonna do something quick, man. I saw this rub for our pork chops, and I wanted to try it. So it's smoked chipotle. It's a rub. It's been sitting on our pork chops for about what, 2 hours there.
Yep. So I'll show you what the pork chops look like. They're all smothered in it. I put it lightly, but then Ron went behind me and added extra rubbage. Added extra rub to it. So it's done on both sides. We're putting it in the Big Boss. These chops are kind of thick, so
I think it's gonna be a little blurry. Sorry, I'm trying to work out the kinks, so I got a new camera, so.
Yeah. So we're gonna put 2 of these suckers in here because they're big and only 2 will fit at a time. So we'll go ahead and do that. What are you doing? Okay, so we're gonna go.
I get happy when I'm eating pork chops.
So we're gonna do 400, and I'm gonna say 15 minutes.
They cook fast. Y'all know that by now.
Oh, maybe I should turn it on or plug it in. I'm like, why isn't it starting? What's wrong with the balls? Okay, here we go. We'll see how that turns out.
We haven't made no video in a while because, I don't know, being lazy.
And I've been on vacation. We've been on vacations.
Transitions.
Couple vacations.
And no excuses, y'all. Just being lazy, you know.
Yeah.
But I'm going to get back on my grind because, you know, I want to make videos.
Yeah. And while we wait, I'm going to drink my delicious juice. It's called So Natural. Taste of the Mediterranean. It's apple, lemon, and mint, cold pressed. There are no added sugars or preservatives or anything, and it is so delicious. I just wish it wasn't $4 a bottle, but it's still good.
That first 30 seconds, you gotta forgive her. She wasn't in the frame.
Oh, I wasn't? So rude.
That's you.
My husband.
That's not me.
See how you're trying to play me out?
My head probably. See, I don't have a camera where we can see each other, y'all. I ain't get to that point yet because that stuff's expensive. But, so I have to keep checking to see if we in the frame.
You want to taste
and
this?
we're very limited in space, so I got to utilize the space as best as I can. But anyway, no thanks.
It's so good.
She always want me to taste something.
Good juice.
So we're only making 4 today. I don't even think we're gonna make a whole dish unless the wife.
We have cabbage left over from last night.
Okay.
And we're gonna make these delicious string beans that I have sitting on the side over here. So I'm gonna make these. For some reason I want to just eat this like this, but I'm not gonna. I mean, you can eat raw vegetables. It's alright, but I just don't choose to. Now you want something to drink, don't you?
In case y'all was wondering, they were washed.
Or were they?
Oh well.
So, we're going to let this go for a little bit, and then we'll be back. I don't know if 15 minutes is enough, but we'll do the 15 minutes at 400 degrees, because like I said, they are kind of thick.
Gotta talk directly
and then
to the mic.
we'll see what they look like after that. So we'll be back in a few minutes.
Yeah. Y'all don't need you don't need to see the whole cooking, right? Just the finishing.
You got the idea. It's the Big Boss. Okay.
Alright guys, we're back. 15 minutes probably was too long. Well, we're about to see.
I don't think that it was. Let's see. Well, they're done pretty good. I'll throw these in here.
Hey, that smells good.
It smells amazing.
And they look good.
This is Sosa barbecue rub, audacious smoked chipotle. And it says, this sweet, smoky, spicy rub is beyond delicious with top pork, chicken, or shrimp, and is the perfect complement to Sosa Audacious Cherry Chipotle Barbecue Sauce. Oh, they had the cherry chipotle barbecue sauce there, and we didn't get it. So,
come close.
You can go to SosaSpecialtyFoods.com if you don't have a fresh market in your area. So www.sosaspecialtyfoods.com, and Sosa is S-O-S-A. So if you want to try this stuff out, it smells amazing. It, as you saw on the pork chops, and then if you can see that in there, looks amazing. It has all those delicious spices in there. So that's what we're using today. And we'll try it on chicken another day. I'm sure that'll be delicious as well. So we'll let that cook up. I'll prep my string beans to get those going. And we'll be back in a few more minutes so you can see the whole finish.
Yeah. That's the beans I just showed y'all, but when we come back we will explain it a little bit more about what she put in the string beans, because maybe you guys want to try it out too. So we'll be back and we'll show y'all what we did, or my wife will tell you what she did to make her string beans like that. Alright? Just wanted to give y'all a little update.
Okay, so we're back. I have string beans and we have cabbage. I made the string beans in this seasoning here that I use a lot.
She forgot.
Smoked paprika, garlic, chili, and chives.
I will stop showing it to him and just tell him, because I can't get the camera to autofocus.
Okay, and then my cabbage, I instead of using water, I used chicken broth to boil it in, and then I just added a little bit of sweet paprika instead of the smoked, fresh garlic, salt and pepper, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. And now we're going to put our pork chop on the plate. You see all those juices running through? It's delicious looking. And that's dinner for Ron and the kids.
That's what it is, y'all.
Yep. Smells amazing. One day we're going to have smell-o-vision.
Yeah.
One day. One day.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That'll be great. That'll be great.
That's going to be dinner for them. And we're all good to go.
So we showed y'all that. My wife explained to you guys what the string beans was soaking in. And that's it for us today, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll be back with more. All right?
Thanks for watching.